Hello and welcome to our comprehensive guide on the best laptops for video editing in 2026. The world of video production is constantly evolving, and so too are the tools we use. In this video, we'll dive deep into what makes a laptop truly exceptional for editing, and we'll unveil our top picks for the year 2026. First, let's talk about the core components. For seamless video editing, a powerful processor is non-negotiable. We're looking at the latest generation CPUs such as Intel's Core Ultra series or AMD's Ryzen 9 processors, which in 2026 will offer unparalleled multi-core performance and integrated AI acceleration for tasks like rendering and encoding. Next up, RAM. For 4K and 8K footage, you'll want a minimum of 32 GB of DDR5 or even DDR6 RAM. This ensures smooth multitasking and efficient handling of large project files. More RAM means less waiting and more creating. The graphics card or GPU is equally crucial. Dedicated GPUs from NVIDIA's RTX series or AMD's Radeon Pro line will be essential. These cards accelerate video effects, color grading, and real-time playback, making your workflow incredibly fluid. Look for models with at least 12 to 16 GB of ROM. Storage is another critical factor. A fast NVMe SSD with at least 1 TB of storage is a must. For larger projects, consider configurations with 2 TB or more, or a dual drive setup with a secondary SSD for project files. Speed is key here to reduce load times and improve overall responsiveness. Now, let's consider the display. A high-resolution screen, preferably 4K, with excellent color accuracy is vital. Look for panels that cover 100% of the DCI-P3 color gamut and offer HDR support. A bright display, ideally over 500 nits, will also be beneficial for outdoor work or brightly lit environments. Portability and battery life are also important, especially for editors on the go. While powerful components can drain batteries quickly, advancements in power efficiency mean that in 2026, you can expect decent battery life even from high-performance machines. Look for laptops that strike a balance between power and endurance. Cooling systems will be more advanced than ever, crucial for sustaining peak performance during long rendering sessions. Innovative vapor chambers and multi-fan designs will keep temperatures in check, preventing thermal throttling. Finally, conductivity. Thunderbolt 5 or USB 4 ports will be standard, offering blazing fast data transfer speeds for external drives and monitors. Wi-Fi 7 will ensure quick cloud uploads and downloads. Considering all these factors, here are our top laptop recommendations for video editing in 2026. First, the Apple MacBook Pro 16-inch with the M5 Max chip. Apple's integrated silicon continues to dominate in power efficiency and raw video processing capabilities. Its Liquid Retina XDR display is unmatched for color accuracy, and the unified memory architecture provides incredible performance. Next, for Windows users, the Dell XPS 17 with an Intel Core Ultra 9 processor and NVIDIA RTX 5080 GPU. This machine offers a stunning 4K display, robust build quality, and exceptional performance for demanding tasks. Its thermal design is also top-tier. Another strong contender is the Razer Blade 16, equipped with an AMD Ryzen 9 8000 series processor and an AMD Radeon RX 8900 MXT. Known for its sleek design and powerful gaming-grade hardware, the Razer Blade series has become a favorite among video editors. For those on a slightly tighter budget but still needing professional-grade performance, the HP ZBook Studio G10 or its 2026 equivalent remains a solid choice. Configurable with powerful Intel or AMD processors and professional NVIDIA RTX 8th generation GPUs, it offers reliability and performance in a more understated package. And finally, the Lenovo ThinkPad P1 Gen 6 or its 2026 iteration. This workstation laptop combines portability with serious power, featuring high-end processors and professional graphics, all within a durable and business-friendly chassis. Choosing the best laptop for video editing in 2026 comes down to your specific needs, budget, and preferred operating system. However, by focusing on a powerful CPU, ample RAM, a dedicated GPU, fast storage, and a high-quality display, you'll be well equipped to tackle any video project. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tech insights, and let us know in the comments which laptop you're most excited about. Happy editing!